Turn off the subnado first, then make sure the subnado faces down to prevent water from falling in. Open the waterproof cover. Check for moisture around and inside the USB-C port carefully. Make sure it is dry completely. If there is water, it needs to be dried first. If there is seawater, it must be thoroughly cleaned with alcohol. After confirming that there is no moisture, insert the USB-C cable to start charging. Controller connector and the waterproof cover, and apply grease to these parts first, according to the instructions. Install the wide thumb controller on the main unit and press it tightly. Tighten the waterproof cover clockwise. Screw the waterproof cover to the end. Waterproof cover is located over the plug. Turn on the subnado. There is a self-checking sound, and 8 LED lights flash twice and shows the battery power level. Press the trigger. The propeller will spin.